I wasted $60,000 on this car, and that's not clickbait. It took me a while to admit it, but yeah, this was a mistake. When I bought this car, I was convinced it was the right move. I told myself it was an investment in my lifestyle, something reliable, something fun, something I deserved. I imagined smooth drives, stress-free ownership, and that quiet confidence you get when you think you've made a smart decision. But reality hit fast. The moment I drove it off the lot, I lost money. Not a little, a painful amount. Thousands of dollars gone instantly, just because the title changed hands. And every month after that, the value kept dropping, whether I drove it or not. Then there's the maintenance. On paper, it didn't seem that bad. But in real life, every service visit felt like a financial jump scare. Simple repairs cost more than they should. Parts take forever, and suddenly you're planning your schedule around dealership appointments. And here's the part that surprised me the most. This car doesn't actually fit my life. It looks great online. It looks great parked. But day to day, it's uncomfortable on long drives, annoying in traffic, and stressful to own in ways no one talks about. I worry about where I park it. I worry about scratches. I worry about repairs. Instead of feeling proud, I feel cautious, like I'm babysitting an expensive object. And that's when it hit me. I didn't buy freedom. I didn't buy happiness. I bought responsibility with a big monthly bill attached. The worst part? There are cars that cost half as much that would have made more sense for me. Cars that are more practical, cheaper to maintain, and honestly, just as enjoyable to drive. I didn't fail because the car is terrible. I failed because I bought the idea of the car, not the reality of owning it. So yeah, I wasted $60,000. But if sharing this helps even one person slow down, think twice, and buy a car that actually fits their life, then at least this mistake does something useful. Let me show you exactly what I would have done differently, and what I wish someone had told me before I signed the papers.